Welcome back. Today we are going to solve exercise 1-1 question number 10 in integers. This is an important problem, and if you get the concept, this is really interesting and easy too. Let's begin. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So we have to find in how many jumps will the monkey reach the water level. So in which step is the water level? It's given in the question. At the 9th step. And the monkey is sitting on the topmost, that is the first step. The monkey is sitting here on the first step. So we will take this as our starting point since monkey is sitting here. So we will mark this as 0 because this is the starting point. Now there are 8 more steps below. Since they are below the first step, we will take this as negative. So we will mark this like -1 or -1. Here -2 or -2, -3, 5th step -4, 6th step -5. First step is 0. 7th one -6. 7th step -6, then 8th step, this is -6, so this is -7. 9th step -8. Now the monkey has to reach on the 9th step to drink the water, that is in -8. 7th step -6, then 8th step, this is -6, so this is -7. 9th step -8. Now the monkey has to reach on the 9th step to drink the water, that is in -8. He jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. So his first jump J1 equal to 3 steps down. I am representing it as -3. I am putting this minus sign because it's 3 steps down. He jumps 3 steps down. So from here 1, 2, 3. He reaches -3 or 4th step. -3 means 4th step. So J2 second jump equal to this -3 plus 2 because 2 jumps up. -3 plus 2 equal to -1 because one negative integer and one positive integer. So we will put the sign of the larger number, which is 3. So we put negative sign and we take the difference of 3 and 2, that is 1. So on second jump he reaches -1. So he was here, then he jumps 2 steps up. So he reached -1, that is on the second step. Now J3 he is on -1 -3 because his third jump is 3 steps down again. And -1 -3, 2 negative numbers, so -4. Both of them are negative, so the sign is negative and we have to take the sum. Now J4 equal to, he is jumping from -4 plus 2. he jumps 2 steps up again. Minus 4 plus 2 equal to 1 negative and 1 positive. So the sign of larger number, which is negative. And we take the difference of 4 and 2, which is 2 minus 2. J5, his fifth jump is from minus 2, minus 2, minus 3. Both are negative numbers, so sign will be negative, and we take the sum. 2 plus 3 is 5. J5, he reaches minus 5. He have to reach minus 8, that is 9th step. So again he jumps. J6 is minus 5. Here we took minus 3. Now he jumps up 2 steps. So minus 5 plus 2 equal to, minus 5 plus 2 is 1 negative number and 1 positive number. So we will put the sign of the larger number, which is 5, so negative, and we will take the difference of 5 and 2, which is 3, so minus 3. And J7 equal to minus 3 minus 3. Again 3 steps down. So minus 3, both of them are negative, so answer will also have the same sign, negative. And we will take the sum of 3 and 3, which is 6. So J7 equal to minus 6. We got J7 equal to minus 6. Now J8 equal to minus 6 plus 2. Again 2 steps up, equal to minus 4. Sign of the larger number, which is 6, and we take the difference of 6 and 2. Now J9 equal to, we have to continue this till we get minus 8, which represents 9th step. Now J9 equal to minus 4 minus 3. 3 jumps down. Minus 4 minus 3 equal to sign negative. We take the sum of 4 and 3. So minus 7. J10 equal to minus 7 plus 2 equal to, we put the sign of larger number, which is 7, and take the difference of 7 and 2, minus 5. Now J11 equal to minus 5. Again 3 steps down. So minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 8. Minus 8 represents 9th step. 9th step. So he reached the 9th step, that is the water level. So he reached the 9th step, which is the water level. And how many jumps he took? 11. So 11 is the answer. Now we will move to the second part of the question. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many jumps will he reach back the top step? Now he is going back. So now he is on the 9th step. So this is the starting point. We take this as 0 since it is the starting point. He is going up. So we mark these steps by using positive integers. So this one I will mark as 1. This is 0. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He has to reach on the first step. That is, we mark it as 8. So first jump, that is J1, is 4 steps up. So we will mark as 4. And J2 is 4, 2 steps down, so 4 minus 2 equal to 2. From the picture it's clear. He starts from here. 4 steps up means 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4. Then 2 steps down means 1, 2. And this is 2. And J3 equal to 2 plus again plus 4. Then we will do minus 2, then plus 4, minus 2, like that. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. J4 equal to, he is at 6 now, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. J5 equal to 4 plus 4 equal to 8. 8 represents first step. Our question is, in how many jumps will he reach back the top step? So the answer is 5. In 5 jumps he will reach back the top step. Now part 3. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves in part 1 and 2. Part 1 is the case when the monkey is going down, and part 2 when he is going up, by completing the following: A minus 3 plus 2 minus etc. equal to minus 8. So we have to complete this. And B 4 minus 2 plus etc. equal to 8. So here they just have put the calculations we have done. We have to complete this. So minus 3 represent going down 3 steps and plus 2 represent going up 2 steps. So, and in case 1 he took 11 jumps to reach minus 8, which is the 9th step. So we can write like this: minus 3 plus 2 minus 3. This is his third jump. Then 4th one plus 2, 5th one minus 3, 6th one plus 2, 7th one minus 3, 8th one plus 2, 9th one minus 3, 10th one plus 2, 11th one minus 3. He took 11 jumps and now he has reached minus 8. That is the 9th step. So we can complete it like this. And in case B, he is going up 4, then down 2, and he took 5 jumps that we have solved. So 4 minus 2 in third jump plus 4, again minus 2, 5th jump plus 4, and he has reached 8, which represent the first step. So we have solved this in part 1 and part 2. Now just we are representing the calculation like this. And one more question. In A, the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? If minus 8 represent going down by 8 steps, then the sum 8 will represent going up by 8 steps. So that is the answer. See you on next video.